Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, and I'm actually unsure what's in this package. I think it's a Christmas gift actually. Let's see. So I have a good friend that buys most of the things that I buy. So yeah, so I bought something for myself, and then I thought it was a suitable gift, Christmas gift for him as well. Season greetings, and yeah, nice. So to get to what it is, the blue one is for me. Yeah, I don't have my watches at home anymore, and since I don't have my watches at home anymore, I don't have any boxes for them either. I have cases, collector cases, where I usually put the watches when I'm not using them. And nowadays, or since a couple of years back, I go to the bank from time to time and pick out one watch that I wear for a week or two or something, and then I go and change. So when I'm not having the watch on me, more or less at night, or when I'm at the gym, I have my Apple Watch instead. I used to have the watch laying around, and I don't like that. Let me get my stuff and show. So when I go to bed, or when I'm using my Apple Watch, I used to have the watch laying here. I have this travel case for 3 watches. That is nice to have, but for one single watch, it's unnecessary to have it there. So I just put it like this, not laying. You should not do that. Like that. So I thought that I was going to look for something to have my watch at night, or when I'm not using it, and that doesn't take a lot of space, because it will just be standing on my night table. And I think these are nice. So for a single watch, Sir Pierre, smells nice. Nice quality. I believe these were from Portugal. It doesn't say anything. LittleEnglandGifts, so England maybe. And they were not expensive. I would like something where it can be standing freely, but this is really just supposed to be for one watch at night. But I think it might be a little bit too flat. Very soft pillow, and you open it like this on the side, or you can do it on both sides. I like the blue color. I like the really soft. It's not suede. I believe it's cotton, but it feels like really soft suede. So let's see what it looks like. Yeah, you couldn't even see it earlier. So you open it on the side. You can do that on both sides. And it smells really nice. And it's really soft. And it's not bigger than it needs to be. So let's see. Because it looks a bit flat. No, that looks fine. And still it's soft underneath, so nothing will scratch the watch. All right, Sir Pierre, I like it. and I'm pretty sure that my friend will like his Christmas gifts. I chose a black one and choose a black one for him with his name, Robertino. And the company is LittleEnglandGifts. I'm pretty sure it was from Portugal. But yeah, probably is the name. So that's it. Merry Christmas to myself and to my friend. How do you store your watches at night? I'm pretty sure that even if you have maybe a Rolex or something else, Oris or something with a big box Panerai, I'm pretty sure that you don't have that big box laying around all the time, or at the nightstand, or at the desk and use it all the time. And these are also nice, just a little bit too big. So this will be perfect. Yeah. Thanks for watching.